thing I like about wrapping is that you don't have to be so careful with the surface of your car. You can wash it down real quick. So it just rained last night. Got off a lot of the large dust particles. I don't like water spots, so I got filtered water. I'm just gonna rinse it and try to get off just the remaining dust. Towel, purified water. It was hidden by the grill. I'm okay just giving it a good wipe. This part is exposed to the elements. Use the high pile side to soak up the water. I can make the wrap wider than the exposed section of the hood so that it'll tuck under nicely and the grill will go on top, so you won't be able to see any cut lines.